You know, I was flipping through the cable channels last night, and I saw Gone in 60 Seconds come on the screen, and I didn't watch it because I knew I was going to see Eleanor today.
Oh, you're kidding.
No, I'm totally serious.
Really? Wow.
Right here.
What are the odds?
Yep. This, in fact, a licensed Eleanor, as you see, 1967 Mustang.
Another showstopper, 429 cubic inches. More about that in a moment. With an old school top loader 4-speed. All right, let's take a look at that. That is a custom built by Waynes Engines of Riverside, California, with fuel injection. That is a lot of technology on that setup to make that work and play. Go, baby, go. Nitrous button on that shifter. Carroll Shelby signature in there with 429. Typically we see this with a 428 or a variety of other engines. There's the nitrous oxide bottle in the back. A lot of folks feel that that movie back in 2000 and this car really sort of jump-started the pro touring movement that is still going strong today.
Yep.
And I kind of agree with that.
I do too. The high-end pro touring trend began. You're right, JK. This set the bar way high for this entire style of build.
And don't forget, Mecum Auctions had the movie car from Gone in 60 Seconds, the original Eleanor, right, JK?
Right.
Indianapolis, I think, and I'm trying to remember the year.
It was.
A while back.
Just saying. But I don't think we have anybody behind it, so there's not much of it. Yeah. If it does more, then we'll give it back to you. That's 2 1/4.
And it does include a 30 by 40 professionally assembled Gone in 60 Seconds frame presentation of the original.
All right, well, to be clear, this is obviously not one of the cars from the movie, but it's such an authentic, and now it's a licensed, officially licensed replica to be able to use that name, and that patience paid off.
Yep.
Guys, reserves off $235,000 with the high bidder on the internet.
Let's walk 2 bucks. How's it looking? No more, guys.
All right, well, that was one wild situation there, but $235,000 for that Eleanor replica.
Boy, there's a couple of Kodak moments. The GTO and that Eleanor, huh?
Oh, no doubt about it.